Hey dudes, and welcome back to RC Cars UK. Paddy with you here again. Now today we're going to be removing this bed from this 6x6 F350 Super Duty, and we're going to replace it with a flat bed with slats. So this is what we're using for our main material for the base of the bed. This is just some cheap old plyboard. You can see I've marked it out here roughly, and I'm going to take a saw to it now. So this is it cut out. As you'll notice, it's a bit bobbed because it's shorter than the original. Well, I say original, it's shorter than the bed that I made. Still got to be cut to shape along here, along the outside edge. Obviously cut it wide at the moment because I can always trim some more off. You can see here how short it is compared to the original. Now this is some alley tubing that some alley flat bar that we've got. This is what we're going to make our upward supports for. So we're going to bolt them onto the baseboard like this, like we've done to the base of the bed. We're going to actually cut out these middle sections underneath here after we've set our levels with our slats. So I've cut all the slats out here. I've not sanded them off or anything yet, but I've just cut them out all and measured them all so they're all the same. I'm going to space them out 1, 2, 3, so 3 on each side, like this. 1, 2, 3, and obviously they'll be sanded and stuff before that. Anyway, there's going to be another middle support here going up the middle, which we'll do in a moment. But most importantly at this stage, we are going to get just our level set and everything measured. There'll be an alley hoop to go on the front as well. So here you can see we've put our slats on there. This is obviously just one side of it at the moment, but they've been sanded down now, those slats as well. And you can see here that we've used our other bit of our flat bar that was in the middle. We've cut that section out now, and we've made some of our third uprights for the middle of these slats, just like this. And this will be on either side, that. And as you can see here, this is the end of evening one's progress. So we've got the baseboard cut out, we've got our correct width on the baseboard. It is sitting a little high, but there will be a skirt that comes down here, a little wooden skirt with cutouts for the wheels, if you will, like so. We'll sort something out at the back end as well, I'm sure, with some lights or something. And obviously there's going to be an alley roll hoop at the front. Not quite so sure what to do with the back yet, whether to do a drop down bed, but there you can see it's all bolted in one side. Not quite got the middle bolted in here, but I've been at it for a few hours now, so I'm gonna have a break. And stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow, where we can go through putting the skirt on and finishing it all up and getting it looking nice and stained and pretty. Thanks for watching, guys.